So today we are going to learn a method for multiplication. It is the traditional method. This is probably the method that they teach you in school. I will be going over it and walking you through each step of it. So the first example that we are going to do is 234 times 21. So when working with the traditional method, it can get very messy and very complicated really fast if you don't keep your work in line. So I'm going to be using a green marker and an orange marker to help you guys see how to multiply. So the very first step that we are going to do is you're going to multiply the bottom number's last number, so in the ones place, by every single number on top. So we're going to multiply the 1 by 4, the 1 by 3, and the 1 by 2. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 2 is 2. Now, hopefully you guys can see the green. We are going to multiply the 2 now by every number on top. So we're going to multiply 2 by 4, 2 by 3, and 2 by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to add that all together now. So, and this would be a 0 here. You can always add the 0 or not have it on there. It's up to you. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. So put the 1 there, carry a 1. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So your answer is 4,914. Okay, so we're going to go on to example 2. Example 2 that we are going to do is 431 times 52. I'm going to use two different colors. I'll probably use the orange and a blue so you guys are able to see it more than the green. So the first step when doing this method is going to be multiplying this 2 by every single number on top. So 2 times 1, 2 times 3, and 2 times 4. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. Now we are going to move over to the 5, and you're going to multiply the 5 by every number on top as well. So 5 times 1, 5 times 3, and 5 times 4. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So this is where you're going to keep the 5 and carry your 1 of your 15. Now 5 times 4 is 20, and you're going to add that 1 from your 15. So it'll be 21. And now you're going to add them together. So place the 0 here if you need to. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 times 5 is 11, so you're going to put 1, carry a 1. 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 4. 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 14, so you're going to put the 4, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 0 equals 2. So your answer is going to be 22,412. Now for the last example that we are going to do, I'm just going to go right down here, and we are going to do 468 times 33. So 468 times 33. So again, we are going to be multiplying your 3 by 8, your 3 by 6, and your 3 by 4. So first off, 3 times 8 equals 24. So you're going to put your 4 here and carry your 2. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So you're going to put your 0 and then you're going to carry another 2. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 more is 14. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with your other 3. So you're going to do 3 times 8, 3 times 6, and 3 times 4. So what you just did, but over. So 3 times 8 is 24. Put your 4, carry your 2. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20. Put your 0, carry your 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 equals 14. And then you add. So put that 0 there if you need to. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So your answer is 15,444. So that is the traditional method of multiplication. All you gotta remember is stay organized and make sure you are multiplying each number by the top number, or each number by a top digit of the top number. Things you gotta remember is multiply each number on the bottom by each number on top. Make sure you're keeping, if your 2 times 1 is 2, make sure you keep it in the 1 spot. Also remember, when you are multiplying from your tens place, you're going to start in the tens area when you start writing down your numbers. And that's the same thing if we also had a 2 here, like 252. If that was the number we were multiplying, you would start another row and it would start in the 200s or in the hundreds place value. That's all you got to remember.